Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with these hoes, they was up and runners. I can flex it all, I can flex it all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Shawty.
Hey guys, what is up? So I am still on my Wetline Xtreme wave, even though I missed the wave. The wave was like 2 months ago. I'm on my own wave, okay? So I just recorded the wash and go. This is my old wash and go. My curls are still defined, still pretty defined, but I do want to change up my hairstyle. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I slick down my hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to be trying out Wetline Xtreme. So it'll be my first time trying Wetline Xtreme for this hairstyle, but I do have the wash and go video posted if you guys are interested. So Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I just want to do a quick little tutorial just in case, you know, your hair is not all together, you know, your schedule just didn't line up for you to be able to like do your hair, get your hair done. You can do a quick, easy slick down tutorial. So this is what that will be. And a lot of you have been asking about slicking down edges and how it works, and I really don't know yet because I really haven't used it that much and I really haven't played in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a slick down hairstyle. So what I'll be using for this video, of course, is Wetline Xtreme. You also need a spray bottle with some water in case you're doing it on dry hair like I am. I'm also going to be using a soft bristle brush, a rat tail comb, and also a toothbrush. So first, I'm just going to split my hair into 2 sections, or attempt to split it in half. Just a lazy part, it doesn't have to be anything neat, just a lazy little separation. Alright, so I'm going to be slicking down the back first, and then I will work on the front. So if you have really thick hair, you're probably going to have to divide your hair into different sections like I am doing. So I'm going to add my water. So next I'm going to take the gel and rub it through my hands and apply it onto my hair. Then I'm going to take my soft bristle brush. So this brush has 2 sides, and I'm going to be using the softest side just because I feel like the harder side creates breakage and kind of rips out my hair. So I'll be using the softer side. So you just want to brush your hair down, smooth out your curls. Alright, so once you've got this slicked down, just take your scrunchie that you used in the front and just tie their hair back for now. Now we are going to tackle the front. So I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm gonna do a side part instead of a middle part, just because I like side parts personally better. I think just the way my hair lays when I do a middle part, I don't really like it as much. So I am gonna do a side part.
Number one stunner, fucking with the hoes. They was up and runners. I can't flex it all, I can't flex it all. Look, shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Look, in my pants, look, sit on sink. Look, wet like sweat, I got feta cheese. Look, try my guap, I speak guapanese. All these bitches won't fuck with me, cause I'm for that G.
Alright, so I've got my part. But before I fully close this, I'm going to apply gel to this side.
Cause there's no way she could hide it. Been together for a minute, adding mileage. Stunting number one, cause I'm with you, you the one, you the one. Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with the hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex it all, I can't flex it all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with the hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex it all, I can't flex it all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all.
And so what I do in the front is I do use the harder side on the front just so that it's really laid down, but I do mostly stick to the softer side. So if you guys see me flip back and forth, that's why. Alright, so now I'm going to take out the hair that I laid down in the back. So I'm going to get my scrunchie. And I'm just going to pull all my hair together. I'm going to scoop it all into a low ponytail. Ooh, hold on. My hair ain't never been slick like this. Let me just say that right now. My hair, like my roots, are so hard to slick down. I've never, ever had my hair this slick. And I ain't even put in the ponytail yet.
I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with the hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex it all, I can't flex it all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Shawty, I'm a gunner.
Alright, so now I'm going to work on my edges, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to do my edges for slick back hairstyles. So I'm going to take just a little bit more gel and run it along my edge line. Then I'm going to take my toothbrush and just create some exaggerated edges.
Number one stunner, fucking with the hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex it all, I can't flex at all. Look, shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Look, in my pants, look, sin on sink. Look, wet like sweat, I got fetty cheese. Look, count my guap, I speak guapanese. All these bitches won't fuck with me, cause I'm for that G, baby, then you, they can't compete, walking like that, they follow your lead, Look, when I don't see you, feel like I need you more. Look, starting too easy, I wanna do you more. We know she love me, cause there's no way she could hide it. Been together for a minute, adding mileage. Stunting number one, cause I'm with you, you the one, you the one. Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with these hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex at all, I can't flex at all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with these hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex at all, I can't flex at all. Shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all.
Alright, so now that I have my hair all slicked down, edges laid, I am definitely going to put on a scarf. Always put on a scarf.
Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with these hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex at all, I can't flex at all. Look, shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Shawty, I'm a gunner, number one stunner. Fucking with these hoes, they was up and runners. I can't flex at all, I can't flex at all. Look, shawty, you was bad, you the baddest of them all. Look, in my pants, look, sin on sink. Look, wet like sweat, I got fetty cheese. Look, count my guap, I speak guapanese. All these bitches won't fuck with me, cause I'm for that G, baby, then you, they